Bali!
Hello, Green Campers! We are happy to share with you that our first live distance learning went really well. We've had many participants joining us in the sessions. We've had a great fun and we've learned a lot together.
Yes, and in case you miss our sessions, here are some snapshots.
Stay tuned because next week we are launching our 3 series of nature journeys. Ryan, can you tell them what we have?
Yes, so take some notes because on 27th of May, you will have home gardening. And on Friday, 29th of May, we will have a plant-based cooking. And on the 1st of June, get yourself ready for some natural dives. All of them will be at 10 a.m. Bali time.
Great. Now, if those sound good to you, I would suggest you rush to visit our website at greencampbali and check out our distance learning page. Remember guys, we have limited space for only the first 15 participants who first enroll. So, hurry up and we'll see you in the virtual world.